have heard that before. Dubai Hills Estate is like a city within a city. And today we are going to share with you the advantages of living in this prestigious community. This mega development comes as a cooperation between two of the most esteemed real estate developers in Dubai, Miraas Holding and Emaar Properties. In addition to the residential project, Dubai Hills Estate will also contain 18 halls, championship golf course, parks, hospitals, schools, hotels and resorts. The Dubai Hills Mall, which is expected to be on a scale of the massive mall of the Emirates in the neighboring Al district. Recent data reveals in this average property prices in Dubai Hills have climbed over the year. Actually, it's both profitable investment and great place to live. Are you still thinking to invest in Dubai Hills Estate? Today is the right day to take decision.